Well, there's research information available on our website. We have scanning electron microscope pictures that show the difference of our carbon-60 versus other industrial commercial carbon-60s that they use in these other products. And you can see on those electron microscope pictures that the smallness of size of ours, we can fit about 200,000 of our tiny small particles into one of their clusters. So that would provide some of the information. Compared to everyone else, that makes our product more bioavailable, the smallest of size and more ability to move around in the body. Our process is different than the industrial produced carbon-60 because it's solvent extracted. We don't use any solvents in our process. We don't have to dry the solvents. We don't have to oven bake. We don't have to vacuum bake. We don't have to wash our carbon-60 as the way we produce it. The method that I discovered is to produce the carbon-60 without any solvent. So we produce them nano size from the get-go. And so we don't have to blend it into oil for 2 weeks. We just blend it in basically 2 minutes, and so it disperses into the oil. We truly have nano-sized, very small particles of carbon-60.